today I'll be making it. As my dad kept on saying to me to make it, and I finally promised him I'll definitely make it. Every time I go to a ice cream parlor, I always order a vanilla ice cream. And then my dad is like, you will never get the taste as Palais. So I got super curious and I itself promised him I'll make him Palais for his nostalgia. When my parents were kids, they used to buy Palais from the Palais vendor, and he used to come in these cycles with a peculiar horn. When he sounded that horn, all the kids used to be crushing into his cycle and they used to order Palais and Semia ice. So today we'll be making Palais. So let's begin. First we have to make a cornflour slurry. To make the slurry, we have to add cornflour, 1 tablespoon, milk powder, this is not a part of the recipe, but you can make it a part of it though. This part is optional. Take a little bit of milk. The slurry has to be like a thick paste. You can compare it to melted white chocolate. Now let's turn off the stove. I have a saucer filled with a little bit of milk. Let's wait for it to heat up a little bit. I've added 1 cup of milk. Once it heats up a little bit, let's add the cornflour slurry. My parents have always been talking about Palais, and I decided I wanted to make it one day, so today's the day. I really want to try Palais. They say it's super yummy. So now the milk is heated. Let's add the cornflour slurry. So 1 cup of milk, by the way. Now mix until it is thickened a little bit. Now there are many versions of Palais, but there are some with condensed milk, rose milk, then cardamom, etc. But the one I'm making is the Narden traditional style that used to be sold by people in cycles. It has started thickening a little. Let's add some sugar. I've used 1.5 cups of milk. I've just added the sugar. Now stir and heat until the sugar is melted. It has thickened and the sugar is melted. Let's switch it off. Let's leave it to cool down before we can transfer it into the mold. This is a very easy recipe and it only takes 5 minutes. So you can make it as a snack for guests or for yourself. You can see now it's cooled and the thickness is set. Let's transfer it into these kulfi molds. This is my first time making the Palais, so it might not taste the best, but still I want to try and see. I want to see why my parents are so obsessed over Palais. I've transferred the Palais mix into the molds and added saran wrap to hold the sticks. Now let's add it in the freezer and wait for it to set. You need to keep it in the freezer for 8 hours. Okay. Let's keep it inside and wait for it to freeze it until it's set. This is the freezer that my mom uses to keep her bakery items such as cream and other stuff. So let's leave it until it's set. And our Palais is ready! I've kept it for freezing over 8 hours and this is how it looks. Let's take off the wrapper. Whoa! This looks kinda cool. I'm gonna dip it in water for a while so that it's easy to demold. Let's take it out and see. Whoa! This actually looks pretty cool. Papa, this is your nostalgia, huh? Do you want to have a bite? it's good. I mean, it's good because you didn't have Baskin Robbins at the time, right? But it's pretty good. So, guys, thank you for watching me make my dad's nostalgia. And I forgot to give him this. My mom and dad have memories of eating palais during hot summer days. And I can agree, I would have definitely eaten this. So guys, thank you for watching. This is such an easy recipe to make some yummy palais. You should also too, when you're stuck at home, you could do this too. I mean, it's an easy recipe and could get you started in the ice cream tunnel. So guys, thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye guys! I have sensitive teeth so I can't bite.